What's going on, everybody?
Hello.
Hello, hello.
We are ready for you here at the Drake, coming soon this Monday, January 16, 7 a.m. for breakfast.
Yes.
And we're live. The website is live.
Finally.
Finally, the day is here.
If you didn't see the post I made earlier, now you know the website is live. You can book now here at the Drake, starting on the 16th and forevermore.
Forevermore. Now, do you have a few updates to do on the website? I gotta add some pictures of the rooms and stuff. So, but the landing page is live. The book now is live, and come check it out.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
A lot of work got done here, guys, in the last few days. I'm telling you, we've been going crazy getting this place ready for you here at the Drake. Drake, what do you have to say about it?
Sometimes the best just won't do, Eric. And I hope when you guys come and check it out, you keep that in mind.
Keep that in mind, right?
Sometimes the best just won't do.
Sometimes it will do as well.
Yeah.
We have done a lot here in this place. You know, we could have opened this place up the way it was.
Yeah, it was.
It was operational.
Yeah.
It wasn't what we wanted. So we spent some time and our vision, and this is stage one of many things to come. But we've dressed up the rooms a little bit better. They were already nice and clean, and they were fresh, but outdated. And some of them are still a little bit outdated.
We'll still be remodeling a few rooms, a couple rooms every month.
Work will continue as we're open, but we are open, ready for you guys. Our room rates start at $1,200 a night on up, and you can see those when you go onto the booking on our website to book, and you can see the rates there. And some pictures are there. We haven't completely uploaded all the pictures, but we have a few pictures of the rooms as well. Now, Mark, we are doing a promo for the first, well, to the end of the month, actually.
We'll roll until February 1st. So those who are lucky enough to come check us out here at the Drake will receive 200 pesos consumable here at Poppy's Bar and Chill.
Yeah.
So when you check in, they're going to give you some Poppy's bucks. So yeah, you'll get 200 pesos consumable in the restaurant for every house guest.
Perfect.
So you can use it for breakfast. You can use it for lunch later next week when we roll that out. But yeah, we can't wait to see you.
Now, that's not going to include any bar or alcohol.
Yeah,
that's food only.
Excluding alcohol, alcoholic beverages, but 200 pesos you can use on Poppy's classic YouTube famous biscuits and gravy, or the silly, I'm gonna call it silly, but the pizza, the biscuit and gravy pizza. You guys got to see it. I can't even describe it, but it's delicious.
Delicious.
Yeah. The Hungry Man skillet is amazing too. The breakfast burritos, the El Pastor burritos are going to be great. Yeah, just got to come check us out. Monday we'll be open for breakfast, like you said, but coming soon, lunch and dinner.
So the cooks have been in the kitchen, and they've been creating these dishes with our vision and my tastes as well. And they're doing really good, guys. We have a very good kitchen staff. They've been very creative. Like Mark just said, this biscuits and gravy breakfast pizza, so far, that is a hit for me.
Yeah.
Now the steak, egg, and cheese bagel, it's got a garlic aioli sauce on it. Oh man, made here in house. That was one of my favorites. I bought some nice sirloin steak. It's tender, it's delicious. That sauce sets it off. You got a nice over easy egg on there. When you bite onto it, that yolk just busts in it. That's the way I like it. Now you can order your eggs however you want on that sandwich. If you want scrambled, you want them over medium, we'll do it for you. You know, the best just won't do sometimes, but we will. We will cook your food the way you want it, no problem. Yeah, Mercy, what did you think? You ate some of the food today.
Everything is delicious.
Was it up to your standards?
Yes, of course.
Was it up to? Was it like what I cooked? Was it something I would have served you at home?
Yes, of course.
Was it better?
Like, The better was the bagel with the.
You like that one?
I like it.
The steak, egg, and cheese bagel?
The pizza too.
The pizza, breakfast pizza, yeah. Now Mark made a point, it kind of made me feel bad.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah. So he said the sausage gravy that they made in the kitchen here was better than the sausage gravy I made at his house. And I'm like, are you kidding me,
I'll
dude?
tell you what, you know, they were both great. They were both great. Now we did change the butter, and sometimes butter makes it better.
Yeah.
That was a little different. And I think the difference was here we just put more sausage crumble in it.
Yeah, right.
When we made it at the house, we had plenty of sausage. Don't get me wrong, but I think
The cooks here crumbled it up.
The gravy to sausage ratio was thicker here, and I like it.
Well, I think that's something that you have to think about. When you get an army of cooks going in the kitchen, they all have these visions and they all have these different experiences of cooking. Of course, when I lay out my recipe for them, and this is the way I want you to do it, they're going to put their own little twist on it, you know? So what they did, and it was a very small twist that meant a lot to him, obviously, is the crumbled up sausage versus my chunkier sausage. You know what? The gravy was great.
The gravy's great.
The size of the bits of sausage in it for me, I like
Just
it.
make
I
better
like it
coverage.
chunky.
Just made it better coverage. Make it more even coverage.
True. Yeah, it was very good though. I'm going to show you one of our biscuits that we made this morning. You are going to freak out because you haven't seen a biscuit like this since Mama made them for you back in Kentucky. We had some extra biscuits today. Uh-oh, wait, what's going on there, Drake? What are you eyeballing in there? We had a few extra we're going to serve up later, but these are some of the biscuits that our cooks baked up this morning.
Oh, look at those.
That is a
Look at
proper
those.
biscuit. Pick one of them up.
Yeah. Look
That
look
is
at
a
those
biscuit.
layers. Look at those layers. They just, oh yeah.
They're a little
Yeah.
cold. I had them in
Yeah,
the
they're in the
fridge.
fridge, but yeah, they
Now we won't be serving you cold biscuits. Oh, you got one to come apart.
will just come right
So
apart in the middle.
when they're not cold, they definitely break apart better than that. But you get the idea, right? This is a real biscuit,
That's some
guys.
legit biscuits.
Those are legit. They're all tall. Look at that one in there.
Oh yeah.
They're tall. We're gonna finger these up real good
I'm
for
figuring
you.
these up because these are the leftovers that I'm going to eat later.
You're gonna be taking these home anyway.
I promise I don't go in the kitchen
this
when
one.
we're open and just throw.
Oh
I
yeah.
gotta start fingering
Just
your
start
biscuits.
finger banging all these biscuits.
Yeah.
Look at that one.
Yeah, look at
Yeah,
that.
these are just real proper biscuits, guys. Nowhere in town have I experienced a biscuit like this. Doesn't mean it doesn't exist. I just haven't seen it, and I've not tasted it. You throw that gravy on these things, and you guys are going to be writing home to mother saying, Mama, in the Philippines, somebody fixed some biscuits and gravy just like you do. Yep, that's our goal. We want you guys to feel like you stepped into a little taste of home here at Poppy's. We want you to feel comfortable. That's why we look the way we do here in the bar and chill. Look at these seating arrangements that we have here, guys. Where else in Angela City have you walked up to the table and had a roll of paper towels here instead of these little flimsy napkins that you can't even wipe your fingers off with, and you end up using the whole stack, right?
Oh yeah.
That's what we're talking about
Yeah.
right there.
So you know when you have wings, hot wings here in the Philippines, they always give you little plastic gloves. All the Filipinos, and God bless them, but it's just part of their culture, what they're used to. You go to a wing place, they give you your basket of wings and a thing of plastic gloves. So you put your gloves on, and you eat your wings, and when you're done, you take the gloves off, you throw them away, and you got clean hands. Here at the Drake, we don't do that. I want to eat a wing. I want the sauce all over my fingers. So when I get down to my last wing, that's good stuff. Then you just grab a paper towel. Yeah, and I want to leave here with still seeing the red in my fingernails. You know what I'm saying? So
Yeah, you want to taste that later,
I
right?
want to taste that later.
You're gonna bite them nails and taste them wings later.
Yeah, I want the reminder.
Anyway, yeah, we've got it set up here. We've got the paper towels. We even got the paper towel holders painted to the right color of the restaurant, right?
That's right.
We couldn't find any of that color, so we painted them. We go all out here at the Drake and the Poppy's Bar and Chill, right?
Sometimes the best just won't do.
Yeah, so you just got to make the best out of a bad situation, right?
Sometimes you gotta make your own fun.
All right, let's see what's happening behind the bar here. We do have some work to still do. We have some of the wine glass racks up here. They're pretty cool. We're going to put some more around here. It's coming together. We got a little screen up here. We are eventually going to do some television screens on each side of the inside column of the bar. But right now we're just going to go with the one up on top, and it's just going to show some of the kitchen work possibly that's going on in the back, the delicious food they're making, or maybe some Poppy and Mercy's YouTube video playing up there. We don't know yet.
Does the logo show up good on the YouTube screen?
It looks like it, yeah. We've got our 65-inch TV back there in the background. We'll be playing who knows what on there. Could be a ball game. Whatever you guys want to see, we'll have that. And it's visible from all the seats around the bar, unless you're sitting right here. If you happen to be sitting right here, maybe you don't want to watch TV, that's going to be blocking it. But everywhere else, we got you covered. You're going to be able to see the TV. We got Frank, Hazel, and Ruth back here. Now Ruth is going to be working at the front desk. And have you been learning a lot?
Yeah.
So what have you been learning? Tell us about it. Come on, it's interview time.
We did role playing today.
Wow.
Yeah.
Role playing?
Yeah.
What?
So, pretend I'm walking in. Give me the front desk greeting.
Hi, good evening, sir. How can I help you?
I would like a room at the Drake for the evening.
Would you like...
Oh, she stumbled. All right, take two. I'll edit that one out. Take two. Start with good morning
Take two. Start with good morning.
or good evening, whatever you want. There we go.
Good evening, sir.
Oh, why?
Welcome
Hello.
to Drake Hotel. How can I help you?
Oh, I would like a room for the evening.
Would you like the... We have a room. We have a...
Just one room?
No, we have a deluxe room.
Oh, a deluxe room.
Yeah,
That sounds
the
great.
standard A room,
Standard room?
standard B room, and the standard junior.
Oh.
But if you look at affordable room, we have a junior room.
Okay.
It's 1,200.
1,200. Do I still get 200 consumable? here?
Yes, sir.
Oh my gosh. So take advantage of that, guys. Until the 1st of February, we will be running that same promo. So you can stay here at the Drake for just starting at 1,200. Get 200 pesos consumable here in the restaurant.
Yeah.
So what else do I have? What's the next tier up? We have another room for how much?
We have a deluxe 2,200 and standard 8 is 1,700.
1,700?
Yeah, and the standard B is 1,500.
1,500. So 1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 7.
And 2,000.
2,200.
Yeah.
That's the one Fat Drake wants.
That's one everybody should want.
That's the one everybody should want.
There we go.
All right, well, good.
That's
good
what you
job,
want?
Ruth.
That's what I want.
All right.
There's the breakdown. So there's the breakdown, everybody. A lot of you have been asking, how much are your rooms? There you have it. Go to our website, drakehotelangeles.com. Book now. You can book your stay now. It's live, like we said, and all the rates are there. Pictures of the rooms and everything. We can't wait to see you here, guys. We've been working hard to make this place the best it can be, but, you know,
Sometimes the best just won't do.